Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming ideas for your next blog post or social media update? Do you wish there was a total tool that could generate ideas and content for you in a matter of seconds? If so, then you're in luck, because ChatGPT might just be the solution you've been looking for. We'll show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro, and even explore how it can help you earn money. So let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like responses to any given prompt. It was created with the goal of advancing the field of natural language processing and making it more accessible to the general public. Benefits of using ChatGPT: enhancing creativity. ChatGPT can help you think outside the box and come up with new ideas that you may not have thought of before. By generating responses to your prompts, ChatGPT can spark your creativity and help you break through writer's block. Personalization. ChatGPT can be trained on specific topics, allowing you to generate personalized responses tailored to your specific needs. For example, if you run a tech blog, you can train ChatGPT on technology-related topics to generate more relevant responses. Learning. ChatGPT can also be used as a learning tool. You can input a question or statement related to a topic that you're interested in, and ChatGPT can generate a response with information you may not have known before. Accessibility. ChatGPT is a great tool for people with disabilities who may have difficulty typing or writing. By using voice recognition software or text-to-speech technology, users can easily input prompts and receive responses from ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT? Choose a platform. There are several platforms that allow you to interact with ChatGPT, such as OpenAI's official API, Hugging Face, or AI Dungeon. Choose the one that works best for your needs. Input a prompt. To generate a response from ChatGPT, you need to input a prompt or a question. This can be anything from a sentence to a paragraph. Keep in mind that the quality of the response will depend on the quality of the prompt, so try to be as specific and clear as possible. Adjust parameters depending on the platform you're using. You may be able to adjust certain parameters to influence the quality and style of the response. For example, you may be able to choose the length of the response, the level of creativity, and the tone. Evaluate and refine. Once you receive a response from ChatGPT, evaluate its quality and refine your prompt accordingly. If the response is not what you were looking for, try adjusting the prompt or the parameters until you get a more satisfactory result. Integrate into your workflow. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for a wide range of applications. From internet creation to customer service, once you've generated a response that meets your needs, integrate it into your workflow as needed. How to use ChatGPT to earn money. Content creation. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for content creators looking to generate ideas and inspiration for their work. By inputting a topic or a prompt, ChatGPT can generate responses that can be used as the basis for blog posts, articles, or other types of content. This can save time and effort for content creators, allowing them to focus on other aspects of their work and potentially increase their output. Social media management. ChatGPT can also be used to generate social media posts or responses to comments and messages. This can be particularly useful for businesses or individuals with a large social media presence, as it can help them maintain engagement and respond to customers in a timely and efficient manner. Customer service. ChatGPT can also be used to automate certain aspects of customer service, such as answering frequently asked questions or providing basic information about a product or a service. This can free up human customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues, potentially increasing efficiency and reducing costs for businesses. Translation. ChatGPT can be used for machine translation of text, allowing individuals or businesses to quickly translate content from one language to another. This can be particularly useful for businesses with an international presence or individuals who work with clients or collaborators from around the world. Chatbot creation. ChatGPT can also be used to create chatbots that can interact with customers or website visitors. By programming ChatGPT to generate responses based on specific prompts or questions, businesses can create chatbots that can handle basic customer service inquiries or provide information about products and services. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos.